In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur face in CapCut. Now, before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open CapCut on your device and sign into your account. And here, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top of your screen to be able to create a new project. Now, in this section, go ahead and click on the video that you want to use for this video. So just go ahead and click on that video and click on the add button at the bottom right corner of your screen to be able to add this video to your canvas. Now in here, just go ahead and click on your video. Now after you click on your video, you'll be able to find the tools section at the bottom of your screen. And here, just go ahead and scroll right and look for the effects tool. So go ahead and look for the effects tool. Click on that and click on video effects. Now under the video effects, go ahead and use their search bar and search for blur. So once you search for a blur effect on this section, you'll be able to find a few blur effects selection that you can choose from. So just go ahead and click on the specific blur that you want. You can customize it further by double clicking on that effect. After that, just go ahead and click on the cancel button and click on the check. And here, just go ahead and click on the plus button to be able to upload the original version of that video on the same canvas and click on the add button. Now after that, just go ahead and click on that video and make it an overlay of the blurred video. And here, go ahead and click on the video. Now after that, go ahead and look for the mask tools under the mask section. So just go ahead and look for the mask tool. Here, go ahead and click on the circle mask and fit the face of your video into that circle mask. Now click on invert to invert the effects between the two video. Now you can stabilize the blur further by using the keyframe tool, which you'll find beside the undo button. And that is how you can simply blur face in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.